In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a calendar on ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a calendar view, add entries, customize them, and switch between time frames so your team can plan with confidence. First, log into your ClickUp workspace. From the location where you want the calendar to live, whether that's a space, folder, or list, open the Views bar and click on View. Then choose Calendar. This adds a calendar view to your current location so it shows the tasks that belong there. Give your new calendar a clear, descriptive title so everyone knows what they're looking at. Something like Marketing Launch Calendar or Sprint 12 Schedule. You can also set up filters and apply templates here to control what appears on the calendar and to reuse your favorite configurations. Filters are great for narrowing by assignee, status, tag, or priority, helping you show only what matters. Now let's create entries. The simplest way is to hover over the date you want to use and click to add a task. Name it clearly so your team understands its purpose. Include a short action and context, like Draft Q2 Roadmap or Prepare Client Demo. When you're happy with the details, click Save. To fine-tune an entry, hover over it and look for the three dots. Click those to open a full options menu. Here you can customize even further. For example, change the task type to milestone for key checkpoints or deadlines, which makes important dates stand out on your roadmap. Add another entry the same way to build out your timeline quickly. You can also estimate how long a task should take. Open the task, set a time estimate. Let's make this one 3 hours, and save. These estimates help your team gauge effort, spot capacity issues, and align goals to realistic timeframes. Once you click Save, the estimate is stored and visible in the task details. When you're ready to review the bigger picture, adjust the calendar's time frame. Switch from a monthly view to a weekly or daily view, or choose a rolling 4-day window if you need a tighter focus. As soon as you change the view, the calendar reorganizes itself so you can spot overlaps, gaps, and upcoming milestones at a glance. And that's it. You've created a calendar in ClickUp, added and customized entries, set time estimates, and switched views to plan effectively. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more quick, practical tutorials that save you time and keep your projects moving.